everyone. I hope you all are in pink of your health. So yesterday we have started with our new reader chapter, that is Saving Dory. And today we are going to continue with the same chapter. So let's start. Hello everyone. So we will be continuing with our new reader chapter, that is Finding Dory. This is your reader book. Again, at the end, there will be a general question, and you have to share your opinion on that question. So, everyone has to answer his or her own opinions on the general question that will be there at the end of the video. Okay. So, what are the objectives of this chapter? In this chapter, we will read an article about marine conservation. As I've told you earlier, it is not a chapter, it is basically an article about marine conservation. And marine conservation, as I've told you, it is a way to protect the sea creatures, both plants and animals. So, marine conservation is a way to protect the sea creatures, both animals as well as plants. Learn words related to conservation, make sentences, and learn about parts of a dictionary entry. Learn the correct use of simple past tense, adjectives, and apostrophes. Listen and fill in the blanks, conduct a mock press conference, and practice short and long vowel sounds. Learn to write a newspaper article. Okay, so these are the objectives of this chapter. Do you like watching films about animal? Read an article on how films about animals affect the environment and nature. As I have already discussed, this article it is mainly based on the impact of films that are having animals as their main character. So what is the impact of those films on nature and environment, and especially on the life of animals? Okay, so the chapter basically is about the impact of films that have animals as their main character, and what is the impact of that film on that animals or environment or nature. Do the names Nemo, Dory, Bruce and Crush ring a bell? They are all characters from the 2016 animated film Finding Dory, the sequel to the 2003 film Finding Nemo. As I've told you, Finding Nemo is a picture that is based on fish, and it has been released in 2003. And Finding Dory is the sequel you can say, a book or film that continues the story of a previous book or film. In simple words, you can say part 2. So Finding Nemo is part 1 and Finding Dory is part 2. Finding Dory is an animated film that has been released in 2016. Okay, both the films, they are based on fishes. Finding Nemo follows the journey of Marlin. Again, I am telling you, Nemo and Marlin, these both are the names of clownfish. That is a variety of fish. Nemo is the son and Marlin is Nemo's father. So we have two clownfish, Nemo and Marlin. Nemo is the name of the son and Marlin is his father. Okay, Finding Nemo follows the journey of Marlin, a clownfish, and Dory, a regal blue tang. So second variety of fish is regal blue tang. Regal means royal, and the name of the character or the variety is Dory. So we have two varieties of fish. First is clownfish. We are having two fishes. Nemo is the name of the son, Marlin is name of the father. And the second variety of fish is regal blue tang, and the name of the fish is Dory. Okay, all the way to Sydney Harbour. As I've told you, Sydney Harbour is a ship port where ships are kept to rescue Marlin's son Nemo, who was stolen from his coral reef home to live out his numbered days in the care of a dentist niece. So coral reef, again I am telling you, is an aquatic plant. It is a very hard spines like plant in which fishes live. So you can say the name of the home where fishes live is coral reef. Coral reef is the name of the home. So what happened? Nemo, that is the son of Marlin, he has been stolen from his house, and the name of the house is coral reef and he has been stolen to take care of dentist niece. Fine, someone has stolen Nemo and he has taken him to take care of the dentist niece. Finding Dory saw the forgetful blue tang set out on an epic adventure across oceans to find her parents. So what happens? Finding Dory is a forgetful blue tang. Again, blue tang is the variety of fish that set an epic adventure. Epic means grand adventure across oceans to find her parents. So basically the film is about the love between parents and son. So what happened? As we know, Marlin's son, he's lost. So the chapter is all about the love and how Marlin is trying to find out his lost son. Okay, they are both touching, funny and inspiring tales that teach us about the beauty of the ocean, its coral reefs and some of their most attractive inhabitants. So what happened? The story is touching, it is very funny also, it is inspiring. Inspiring means motivating and encouraging, that teaches us about the beauty of ocean. And its coral reef. Coral reef is the plant, you can see below, these kind of plants where the fishes live and some of the most attractive inhabitants. Inhabitants means other animals that are living there in the sea. So basically it is all about sea creatures, animals and plants and their beauty. People fell in love with the clownfish and the regal blue tang. As I've told you, clownfish is a very beautiful fish. So after watching the movies, people, they started having an attraction towards both kind of fish, clownfish and regal blue tang. So people fell in love with these kind of fishes and they started demanding those fishes. So the impact of the film was that the people, they fell in love with both varieties of fishes, that is clownfish and blue regal tang. Though the message of the films are centered on conservation. So the main message of film was conservation. Conservation means protection. So the main message behind the film was to protect the sea creatures and the tragedy of taking wild coral fish species from their homes and placing them in the glass prisons. But what happened? The tragedy means something which is unexpected. So the impact was completely opposite. The main motto was to protect the sea creatures, but after watching the film, the people they started having attraction towards these kind of fish species and they started taking them home and placing them in glass prisons. Glass prisons here means aquarium. So what happened? The people, they started demanding these fishes and they started taking them home and keeping them in the aquarium at their home. Finding Nemo had a sad and ironic effect too. So Finding Nemo, it has a very sad and ironic effect. Ironic means happening in a way that is opposite to what is expected. So the filmmakers, they have expected that after watching the film, people, they will start protecting the sea creatures. But the impact was completely opposite. People, they started loving those fishes and they started demanding them. They want the fishes at their home in the aquarium. So they started demanding more and more fishes. So the main idea was to protect, but it went in a completely opposite manner. Okay. The clownfish became instantly in-demand pets, causing many more Nemos to be taken from their coral reef ecosystem. So, after watching the movie, the demand for clownfish has rised up, and the result was that many more Nemos, that means many more clownfish, they were taken away from their coral reef ecosystem. Coral reef ecosystem, again, it is the place where the fishes live. National Geographic has said that the demand for clownfish as aquarium pets more than tripled up as a direct result of the film. So after watching the films, people, they started demanding clownfish as aquarium pets. So the main motto was to protect, but it happened in an opposite way. People started demanding them as aquarium pets after watching the movie. Okay. Now here some scientific facts are there. Regal blue tang are also known as blue surgeon fish, common surgeon or doctor fish. As I've told you yesterday also, the other name for regal blue tang is blue surgeon fish, common surgeon or doctor fish. This is because they have sharp poisonous spine-like structure that is used as a knife by the surgeons. Okay, so you have to remember the other name of regal blue tang is blue surgeon fish, common surgeon and doctor fish. Okay, because they have sharp spine that are used as knife by the surgeons. There are 28 different species of clownfish which come in many colors such as pink, red, yellow, black, brown and multicolored strips. So clownfish, it is a very beautiful fish. As you can see in the left side, we have pink and orange clownfish. They came in 28 different species. So you should remember that there are 28 species of clownfish. Okay. All clownfish are born male and can turn into females. But they cannot go back to being male once this change is made. Okay, so clownfish, they are born male but they are converted into female. And once they are turned into female, they cannot go back to male. So you should just remember that other name of regal blue tang is blue surgeon fish, common surgeon and doctor fish. There are 28 species of clownfish and clownfish are born male but they can change into female, and once they are changed into female, they cannot go back to male. Okay. That much for today. This is your homework. Complete the sentences. There are 4 sentences. Okay. And now it's time for the general question. So this is your question. Do you think that filmmakers who use animals as their main characters should be more conscious about the message that they deliver through the film? So do you think the filmmakers who are using animals as their main character, they should they should be more conscious, or they should focus on the message that is going to be delivered through their films? You have to share your opinion. Okay. Thank you, class.